What's the big idea behind Instatic?
Instatic is a self-hosted CMS that gives you full control over your website. Unlike platforms like Webflow or WordPress, it doesn't lock you into their ecosystem. You run it on your own infrastructure, and it handles everything from the visual editor to content management, publishing, and even user roles and plugins.
So it's like a CMS that's also a website builder.
Exactly. It's a complete solution for building and managing a website. You don't need to integrate multiple tools. There's no headless CMS, no separate framework, no image CDN. Everything lives in one server, and the output is clean, semantic HTML and CSS without any runtime dependencies.
That's a big claim. What makes the output so clean?
Instatic avoids leaving any of the editor's machinery in the final page. No framework runtime, no builder attributes, no unnecessary divs. The site loads like a static file because, most of the time, it is one. This makes for faster performance and a smaller footprint.
How does the visual editor work with the rest of the system?
The visual editor is built into the same bun server that runs the CMS. It's not a separate tool or plugin. You can edit content, manage users, and even handle forms, all within the same interface. This tight integration makes the whole experience cohesive and efficient.
What about plugins and customization?
Instatic has a plugin system that allows you to extend its functionality. You can create custom plugins or use existing ones from the community. These plugins can add new features, modify the user interface, or even integrate with third-party services.
That sounds powerful. What's the technical architecture like?
Instatic is built on top of Bun, a modern JavaScript runtime that's optimized for performance. It uses TypeScript throughout, which helps with type safety and maintainability. The backend is designed to be modular, with different components handling specific tasks like user authentication, content management, and form handling.
How does it handle user authentication and roles?
Instatic has a built-in user management system that supports roles and permissions. You can define different user roles with varying levels of access and manage user accounts directly within the CMS. This is all handled by the server without needing external services or integrations.
What about deployment? How easy is it to get started?
Instatic is designed for easy deployment. You can use platforms like Railway or Render to deploy it with just a few clicks. It also provides Docker images and deployment guides for VPS environments, so you can run it on your own infrastructure if needed.
Can you run it on a single server, or do you need a cluster?
Instatic is built to run on a single server, which makes it ideal for small to medium-sized websites. It uses SQLite by default, which is lightweight and efficient. If you need more scalability, you can switch to Postgres, but it's not required for most use cases.
What about performance and scalability?
Instatic is optimized for performance, especially with its use of Bun and SQLite. It's designed to handle the typical workload of a website with minimal overhead. For larger sites or higher traffic, you can scale up by using Postgres or deploying multiple instances.
How does the plugin system work in practice?
The plugin system in Instatic is modular and extensible. You can create plugins using TypeScript and define their behavior through specific interfaces. Plugins can be installed, configured, and managed through the CMS interface, making it easy to add new features without modifying the core code.
What about security?
Security is a priority in Instatic. It uses secure authentication mechanisms, and all user data is stored in a database that can be protected with encryption. The codebase follows best practices for security, and there are guides for setting up HTTPS and managing secrets securely.
What are some limitations or things that Instatic doesn't handle well?
Instatic is a powerful tool, but it's not meant for every use case. It's best suited for smaller to medium-sized websites where you want full control and don't need the features of a large enterprise CMS. It's not ideal for very large, high-traffic sites that require complex backend systems or distributed architecture.
Who should really care about this repo?
Anyone who wants full control over their website without the lock-in of commercial platforms. It's ideal for developers, designers, and small teams who want a self-hosted solution that's fast, secure, and easy to manage.